How Claude Opus Transforms Debugging, a step-by-step guide. In this video, you'll learn how to utilize Claude Opus to streamline your debugging processes and enhance your software development skills. Did you know that inefficient debugging can delay software releases significantly? Welcome to our deep dive into how Claude Opus is revolutionizing this process. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with actionable insights to make debugging a breeze. Let's get started. Debugging can often feel like finding a needle in a haystack. With so many lines of code, pinpointing errors can be time-consuming and frustrating. Developers report that debugging can take up nearly half of their development time, leading to delays in project timelines. Understanding these challenges is crucial in appreciating the need for more efficient tools. These challenges include complex error detection, lack of integration with existing systems, and the overwhelming volume of potential bugs. However, with the right approach and tools, these barriers can be overcome. That's where Claude Opus comes in, streamlining the debugging process and reducing the time from error detection to resolution.
Claude Opus stands out with its advanced error detection algorithms designed to integrate seamlessly with your existing codebase. By providing real-time feedback, it allows developers to catch and rectify errors on the fly, significantly reducing debugging time. Its user-friendly interface ensures that even those new to the platform can navigate and utilize its features effectively. The system's ability to learn from previous errors and anticipate potential issues makes it a powerful tool in any developer's arsenal. This approach not only enhances efficiency but also boosts productivity, allowing for faster and more reliable software releases. One of Claude Opus's standout features is its seamless integration with popular integrated development environments, IDEs, like Visual Studio, Eclipse, and IntelliJ IDEA. This compatibility allows developers to work within their preferred environments without the need to switch tools, maintaining their productivity flow. Claude Opus supports a wide range of programming languages, making it versatile and adaptable to various development projects. By enhancing collaborative workflows, teams can more effectively share insights and solutions, further boosting development speed. Ultimately, this integration facilitates a smoother, more efficient process, helping teams release software faster and with fewer bugs. Let's dive into some real-world examples to see Claude Opus in action. Imagine you're working on a web application and suddenly encounter a performance bottleneck. With Claude Opus, you can quickly isolate the problematic code snippets and receive suggestions for optimization. By following a step-by-step debugging process, you'll be able to identify common errors such as memory leaks, inefficient loops, or incorrect variable usage. This practical application not only helps in resolving current issues but also enhances your code quality for future projects. Seeing how Claude Opus tackles these challenges in real time demonstrates its potential to transform your development workflow. How does Claude Opus stack up against other debugging models? In this segment, we'll compare its features and performance metrics with popular competitors like Bugzilla and Sentry. Claude Opus's unique features, such as its advanced AI-driven error detection and seamless IDE integration, set it apart. Performance metrics show a significant reduction in time spent debugging, leading to higher user satisfaction. While other models offer similar functionalities, Claude Opus excels in usability and integration, making it an ideal choice for developers seeking efficiency and reliability. Ultimately, it's about choosing the right tool that fits your specific needs and workflows. User feedback is crucial in assessing the effectiveness of any software tool. Claude Opus has received overwhelmingly positive testimonials from developers who report significant improvements in performance and efficiency. Many users highlight the tool's accuracy in error detection and the time savings it provides, often cutting debugging time by nearly 50%. Continuous updates from the development team ensure that Claude Opus remains at the forefront of debugging technology, adapting to new challenges and user needs. This ongoing support and improvement cycle fosters a community of satisfied users who rely on Claude Opus for their debugging needs. Even with a powerful tool like Claude Opus, it's possible to encounter pitfalls if not used correctly. Common issues include misinterpreting error messages, overlooking integration options, and neglecting to update the tool regularly. To avoid these, it's crucial to familiarize yourself with all features and follow best practices. Regularly updating Claude Opus ensures you have access to the latest improvements and bug fixes. By taking full advantage of its capabilities and being aware of common errors, you'll maximize the benefits Claude Opus offers, leading to more efficient and effective debugging sessions.
The future of debugging looks promising, especially with tools like Claude Opus leading the charge. As artificial intelligence continues to advance, we can expect even more powerful error detection algorithms and predictive capabilities. Claude Opus's roadmap includes plans for enhanced machine learning features, which will further streamline the debugging process. Potential new features could include more intuitive interfaces, expanded language support, and deeper integration with cloud-based development platforms. By staying at the forefront of these trends, developers can ensure they are equipped with the best tools to tackle future software challenges. In conclusion, Claude Opus represents a significant step forward in debugging technology, offering developers a more efficient and reliable way to tackle software errors. By integrating advanced error detection, seamless IDE compatibility, and continuous updates, it stands out as a leader in the field. We encourage you to explore Claude Opus for your debugging needs and experience the difference it can make. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next, and subscribe for more insights into the world of software development.